And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Epic Games unavailable in library. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do here is resolving the issue or resolving the game availability issues in the Epic Games launcher. So first what you can do is resetting the vault cache location. So when games in your Epic Games library appear as unavailable for download or installation, a simple reset of the vault cache location can often fix the issue. So here's how to do it. So first, just access Epic Games launcher settings that open your Epic Games launcher on your PC, click on your username in the top right corner right here, and simply select these settings from the drop down menu. After doing so, just locate the Vault Cache setting right here. As you can see in the photo, so in the settings menu, scroll to find the edit vault cache location. So this option is crucial as it determines where your games are stored and cached on your PC. So after that, just reset the vault cache location. So click on to the edit vault cache location. In the pop-up window, just simply choose reset. So this resets the folder where your game's data is cached. So by resetting the vault cache location, you can resolve issues like where games show as unavailable. So this process refreshes the cache, potentially fixing any glitches, preventing game installation or download. And then that's it for the first fix. And what you can do here next is to restart the Epic Games launcher. So we are going to the troubleshooting steps of this error or to possibly fix this error. And the first thing that you can do is restarting the Epic Games launcher. So again, if resetting the vault cache doesn't fix the problem, a simple restart of Epic Games launcher might do the trick. So here's how to do a restart. So first, you just need to choose Epic Games Launcher. So find the Epic Games icon in the system tray of your taskbar and then just simply right click on it and then choose exit to completely close the launcher. And then after that, just reopen the launcher. After closing, reopen the Epic Games Launcher. So these steps helps in refreshing the launcher, potentially clearing any temporary glitches. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.